all Ladigram buddies! Are you ready for another exciting video from the world of plus-size beauty and fashion? Today, we're diving into a thrilling topic: what to wear to look absolutely stunning and captivating. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. As you know, at Ladigram, we believe every body type is beautiful and deserves to shine its brightest. When it comes to showcasing natural beauty and attractive curves, the right clothing choice works wonders. The key is to smartly choose a style that is both eye-catching and makes you the center of attention. So let's get into some hot and practical tips. First and foremost, pay attention to fabric choices. Fabrics like satin, silk, and velvet, due to their luster and beautiful drape, can make the body look incredibly attractive and chic. These fabrics catch the light, making your curves stand out even more. A satin maxi dress or a velvet gown can make you look absolutely stunning. Second, go for bold cuts. I'm talking about clothes with open cuts, high slits, or deep V-necks. These cuts cleverly draw attention to your best features and convey a sense of confidence and daring. For example, a dress with a high side slit or a blouse with an off-the-shoulder neckline that reveals your shoulders can be incredibly appealing. Third, don't forget eye-catching colors and patterns. You don't always have to stick to black or neutral colors. Try vibrant and energetic colors like red, cobalt blue, purple, or emerald green. Even distinctive patterns like leopard print or large floral designs can make you stand out from the crowd and create an unforgettable look. And finally, confidence is the best accessory. Whatever outfit you choose, it's important to love yourself and be proud of your beauty. It's this confidence that makes any style look 1,000 times more appealing on you. You are beautiful, and whatever you wear, if worn with confidence, will make you shine even brighter. I hope these short and practical tips help you always have the best and most attractive style. Remember, beauty starts from within. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the Ladigram channel for more videos with attractive models and fashion tips. Until the next video, bye for now.